Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 102. We are on Unit 10. It's a mystery. Lesson 1, vocab. Activity 1, read and match the words to the correct definitions. So number 1, already given an example. So a police officer or detective tries to solve this. So this is crime. So I won't draw lines here. So instead of drawing lines, I will write to the left of this number. So number 1 is E. And then number 2, this means that something is worth a lot of money. So we have H here, valuable. So number 2 is H. Number 3, the act of stealing something from a place. So we have J here, robbery. And number 4, an activity that you enjoy doing in your free time. So number 4, we have G, hobby. And number 5, to say something that isn't true. So number 5 is A, lie. Number 6, a person that you think is guilty of a crime. So number 6 is I, suspect. Number 7, something someone says about a crime and a police officer writes down. So number 7, we have C, statement. Number 8, to find out the answer to a mystery or a crime. So number 8, we have D here, solve. Number 9, to show that something is true. So number 9, we have B here, proof. And the final one, to receive and use something that you give back later. So we have F here, borrow. So next we go to activity 2. Complete the summary of the robbery with the words in activity 1. So let me adjust. Okay, the first sentence. Yesterday evening, there was a robbery in the museum. It was a serious crime. Someone stole a dinosaur egg. So dinosaur is very valuable. So valuable. Note that this is not E. Inspector Fox took a from all the people who were in the museum at 5 o'clock. So we have this one statement. The first was Pat plumbed. So we have number 5, suspect. He said he was drawing hieroglyphics and that this was his favorite. So number 6, hobby. Lucy's specs showed a receipt to prove that she was in the museum shop at the time. So we have this one, proof here, P-R-O-V-E. In the end, it was easy for Inspector Fox to, so number 8, solve the crime. Sue snaps said she didn't steal the egg, but everyone found out that she can lie. So we lie. Did she only want to borrow the egg? Inspector Fox didn't believe her and she got into a lot of trouble. So that's it for this page. So we are on this year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 102. So if you are okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here, and then right below this video there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.